Good day, everyone.
If you are new to our channel, this is Lino.
And Line. Hope you have a lovely day.
And we are here in Zermatt, Switzerland. This is our 7th day here in Switzerland. We arrived here the other day, but we're leaving today for Zurich. So if you haven't seen our video of Zermatt, please click the link on the upper left corner of the screen. We absolutely love Zermatt, but we have to go to Zurich today. So we're just walking towards the train station. So we're about to leave. There's one train transfer at Visp, and the total hours of train ride is 3 hours and 37 minutes. So we just arrived Zurich. We are on our way to our hotel. We're just gonna walk to our hotel. Alright, that's our hotel over there.
Wow, I love the room. Oh wow, this is a nice bathroom.
So we had a full stomach and now we're ready to explore Zurich. Ivy, so you said we're gonna go to the store where?
Zurich bought Kit Kat. I actually shipped it to Sudan to the store.
And it's basically just close to our hotel in the same area. We just crossed the bridge from Niederdorf. Our hotel is, I guess, within Niederdorf. It's basically popular for shopping, restaurants, and nightlife. So we're gonna go there to the main Bhanhofstrasse later this evening. But now we're here in, I don't know how to pronounce this, Limmat River. Alright, so they just got out of this souvenir store, film location for this Korean drama, Crash Landing on You. And so now we're walking towards Bhanhofstrasse. This is Bhanhofstrasse, Zurich's main drag. This is a very busy and lively street. So we're gonna buy sprinkling chocolate here. This is one of the many water fountains here in Zurich. I think about 1,200 plus freshwater fountains. It's potable. It's clean, clear, and crisp, actually checked by the city regularly. This is one of the many small, beautiful squares here in Zurich. Just walk and get lost in the small alleys and side streets here in Zurich. So Ivy, in that film Crash Landing on You, what is happening here?
Siri was looking for Captain Rick.
Yeah?
And somebody was playing the piano somewhere in here, and she thought it was him.
Okay.
And it turned out it wasn't him.
But this is a beautiful area for this particular film scene.
Life is a winding road.
So you'll see the skyline of the city of Zurich here. The important sites can be seen here. Grossmonster and the other important buildings. There are benches to relax under this linden tree. But you can just imagine during summer when there's lots of leaves, it's a good place to stay in the shaded areas. And this is like the grand terrace of the city of Zurich. So behind that green spire is the University of Zurich, the largest university here in Switzerland. And next to it is the technical college. I think in English it's Federal Institute of Technology, with several graduates who were Nobel Prize winners, I think 25 or more, including Albert Einstein and Wilhelm Röntgen, the one who discovered X-rays. So that's the Grossmonster. It's a Protestant church. One of the reformers by the name Ulrich Zwingli, his angry religious fervor actually sparked the Reformation here in German-speaking Switzerland. It has this beautiful twin dome. The two domes is the symbol of Zurich. So we're gonna look for that bridge where?
Siri was walking.
All right.
Yeah.
So from Lindenhof, we're just gonna go down towards the Limmat River. The Limmat River actually opens up to become Lake Zurich. So from Lindenhof, take the stairs. I don't know how many steps there are, but it will take you down to that avenue close to the river. If in Zermatt we see the, what do you call that? Matterhorn almost everywhere. In the village of Zermatt. Here in Zurich, the city of Zurich, we see that domes of that Grossmonster, that Protestant church, almost anywhere. I think that's the Grossmonster, and then that's St. Peter's Church. I believe the oldest church in Switzerland or in Zurich, and also it has one of the biggest clock face in the world. So the Grossmonster used to be an abbey of a convent, but during the Protestant Reformation, the city, I think, or the state actually took over.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
So we found the bridge, film location of a Korean drama Crash Landing on You.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
We're trying to look for a restaurant to eat here at Bhanhofstrasse. It's 61 degrees right now here in Zurich. We're still looking for a place to eat. Actually, they wanted an Asian restaurant. We're going to an Asian restaurant.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
What did you order, Ramon?
Coconut soup and green Thai curry.
Do you have Ivy?
Tom yum soup.
How does it taste?
Hot and spicy.
Oh, you like hot and spicy, huh? Oh, that's good. I have the Cambodian fried rice. I like the texture of the chicken. I thought it's a scallop at first, the way they cook the chicken. I really like it. How's your pan-fried noodles?
Very good. I like the crunchiness of the vegetables. I ordered the vegetable noodle. I like the mung kraut, and the vegetable is not overcooked.
Ivy, how's your Sichuan shrimp?
So the Sichuan shrimp is totally different from the Sichuan shrimp that I'm used to eating in the United States. This one has black fungus, mushroom, and bamboo shoot. In the US, more on broccoli, zucchini.
Okay.
It's more pasty. Totally different, but it's still good.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've tasted typical Swiss cuisine like cheese fondue and rosti on our first day in Interlaken, but most of our travel buddies just crave for Chinese cuisine. So it's overall it's really good, and we're satisfied and happy. That's it for now. Please like and comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. and see you in our next vlog, Lucerne, Switzerland. Thank you and have a very blessed day.